My name is White Eatus, and we are camping in Wyoming. Let's go. Let's see if I can. This flashlight's kind of bad. This is the setup though. This is the tent. Can we see out there? Not really. Okay, it's dark. Do some fishing. Little Bible, little fishing. Heck yeah, man. Morning. We're about to go try and catch us some breakfast out of the river. It's cold. It's like 40 degrees outside or something. It's cold. Far too cold for me. But scenery is beautiful. So we're gonna try and get us hopefully some breakfast, something warm to eat because it's cold. Here we go. We got some breakfast. He's gonna make a very good meal. I'm very excited. All right, we got that. It's so cool. We got that fish now. The fillet is done. He's ready to go. What I like to do is give him a couple more cuts, kind of help that skin kind of come off like nice and easy. So just kind of take it right here on the very top, just a little slit, just like that. Makes a huge difference. Let's slit right here. And then of course we got our Tonys. Absolutely slumber him up. And some good old Tonys. Oh, I love Tonys. Add a little bit of salt. And I like to add a little paprika. Really get in that flavor. This is smoked paprika. Rub that in. I cook the whole body. I like the skin, I like the tail, I like the fins. They get all crispy and nice, and it's just a nice little treat. All right, now I'm right here. We're gonna turn this little bad boy on. All right, then we're gonna come in here. This little thing. We're gonna turn this bad boy on. Oh, yeah. Take the lid off. Slider in here. Come on now. There we go. There she is. We got her cooking on the grill. Go ahead and throw the lid on right there. And wait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is very good. I mean, just look at that right off. No bones. God is good. That's all I can say. The Lord provides. Where's Abo? Mosquitoes really want my fish. Look at him. Look at him. Just look how gorgeous this absolutely is. Got the waders on now. Let's go slaying some trout. This dude is a monster.
Was a boy who was a dreamer, and he flew so high and proud. In a world full of people out, cut his young ass down. No one ever understood a single word he said, and it cast him to the wolves when he wasn't well and fed. Boys, we've got a riser in our midst. He will get the last laugh, it's the last thing he did.